Hey everybody, this is Dr. Tim St Onge at Thrive Chiropractic. I'm going to be doing an adjustment on Josh today. So Josh, just tell us a little bit about, we've treated you a few times, tell us about what was going on when you came in at first.
Yeah, when I came in, I had some knee pain. I had just been ignoring it for a while. Not any local pressure point pain or anything like that, but more of a nerve pain. It would come and go, wouldn't know when it would light me up and send that intense shock down my knee, and I just knew I needed to address it. So I went to Tim, talked to Tim a while. He said, come on in, let's look at it, let's do an evaluation. We did that. Less than 5 treatments later, the pain is absolutely gone. I've been able to work out harder, PR on a few lifts that I had not necessarily, that wasn't my end goal. It just was a product of what was going on.
Just kind of worked out that way.
You bet.
It's always kind of fun to PR on things though. All right, you ready?
Yes.
Why don't you go ahead and lay face down.
Okay.
And this was your left knee, right?
Yes.
Correct. So I'm always going to check his entire spine because all movement begins at the spine. So if the biomechanics of the spine are off, then that's just going to set a bad chain reaction either down the lower extremity in his case, or if he was having an elbow problem or a hand problem, it would set off the chain reaction down the arm. So always got to make sure the biomechanics of the spine are good. Right leg shorter than his left. That's pretty. You can see that, can't you?
I sure can when you hold the camera, right?
Yeah. And then whenever I bring his legs back like this, his right leg goes farther than his left. So that tells us the sacrum is off on the left. So let's see what we can do about that.
Got that nice new table. It's nice and comfy. The old one wasn't quite so padded.
It's like a Cadillac. A Cadillac of tables.
I noticed that when I was on the table earlier.
So now he's even.
Yep.
Yep, good. And he's better, but not even. Okay. Go ahead and turn over for me. Tighten the shoulders too. Arm weak. Shoulder weak.
No, I don't think so. Never had trouble.
There you go. Okay. So lay on your side facing this way. You're going to bring your leg down like this. That's tight. Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Back up. So we're just, go ahead, doing some treatment on the deep hip rotators on this side. Go ahead. This should help free up the sacrum. face down again.
Oh, Bob's coming down to get the.
Yeah, so now his legs are even going like this. That's good. Go ahead and lay on your back. Did you say you've had surgery on this knee?
I have.
You have not, okay.
No.
Try to free that lateral quad up on this side. All right, there you go, up you go.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, thank you. So there we go, an adjustment on Josh. We were able to help his knee, able to help him PR on some lifts. Guys, have a great day. Thank you.